Namaste students, I welcome you all in Anupama classes through YouTube channel. Students, in my last video, we discussed about the state of agriculture sector on the eve of independence. Today, we will read the second topic, that is the state of industrial sector on the eve of independence. Students, let me explain you one thing, that before Britishers arrived in India, Indian handicraft had a worldwide reputation in excellence and quality. But during the British period, our industry came to an end. Many craftsmen were forced to shut down their industries. What was the reason behind? That is what we are going to read now. State of industrial sector. The first point is deindustrialization or decline in handicraft. As I have told you, we had a worldwide reputation in handicraft. But what were the reason that came to be the decline in handicraft industry? The reason behind that was twofold policy or discrimination policy adopted by British government. What was this twofold policy or discriminating policy? See, actually Britishers wanted raw material for expanding their industry. They also wanted market for their final product or for selling their final product. In that case, they started exporting of raw material from India to their country. But on that was tariff free. No charges, no tax or no heavy duty were paid. In case of final product from Britain to India, that is import of British product to India was also tariff free. In this case also, they don't have to pay the heavy duty. But on the other hand, export of Indian handicraft to any of the country, Indian craftsmen had to pay heavy duty. So this is known as twofold policy or discriminating policy. Second reason for the decline in handicraft industry was competition from machine made product. What is this machine made product? Actually, goods or the product imported from Britain were made of machine. So they were made of machine and low cost product. They were also of low cost product, and thus they gave a stiff competition to handicraft product. And the quality of machine made product was good. So Indian started purchasing more of the British product than Indian handicraft product. And the third reason again for decline in handicraft industry was new pattern of demand. This is due to the impact of British culture. A new class emerged in our country and they showed their interest towards the Western lifestyle. In that case, there was change in the pattern of demand. Again, they started demanding the British product than the handicraft product. So, for meanwhile, I taught you 3 points for the decline in handicraft industry. We still have 2 more points that I will discuss in next video. So, thank you students.